6 ways to troubleshoot Safari crashing on Mac. Clear browser cache and cookies. To clear Safari cache, open Safari. Click on the Safari menu. Go to Settings. Select the Advanced tab. Tick the box next to Show Develop menu in menu bar. Then, click on Develop from the menu bar. Select Empty Caches. Quit Safari and open it again. To clear Safari cookies, click on the Safari menu. Go to Settings. Select the Privacy tab. Click on Manage Website Data. Select which website cookies you want to delete and click Remove. Or delete all cookie data by clicking on Remove All, then, click on Done. Quit Safari and open it again. Disable extensions. When Safari is opened, click Safari from the menu bar. Go to Settings. Select the Extensions tab. Select an extension you want to delete and click Uninstall. Disable the extension and, if prompted, click on Show in Finder. Locate and select the file that's part of the extension and move it to Trash. Clear Safari History and Preferences. To clear Safari History, open the Safari menu, click on Clear History. Click on the drop-down menu and select All History. Select Clear History. To reset Safari preferences, click on the Apple logo and select Force Quit. Select Safari from the menu and click Force Quit. Confirm by clicking on Force Quit. Now, click Go, and select Go to Folder. Enter /library/preferences. Select Files, starting with com.apple.safari, and delete them. Delete them from the bin and restart your Mac. Update Safari and the operating system. When you update your operating system, the Safari browser also automatically gets updated. Click on the Apple menu and select System Settings. Go to General and click Software Update. Wait for your Mac while it searches for updates. If an update is found, click Update Now and follow the prompts. Restart in safe mode. Before booting the Mac to safe mode, you must know its type. To find your Mac's type, open the Apple menu. Click on About this Mac. If you see an Intel processor name, you have an Intel-based Mac. If you see a chip name with a chip label, you have an Apple Silicon Mac. To boot safe mode on an Intel-based Mac, restart your Mac and instantly press and hold the Shift key. Release it when you see a login window. Log into your Mac. If asked, log in again. You should see Safe Boot in the menu bar on the first or second login window. Check if Safari works normally. Now restart your Mac to exit safe mode. To boot safe mode on Apple Silicon, open the Apple menu and click on Shut Down. Wait while your Mac is completely shut down. Then, press and hold the power button. Release when you see a loading startup options window and select a volume. Press and hold the Shift key and click Continue in safe mode. Wait until your Mac restarts. You should see Safe Boot in the menu bar. Check if Safari works normally. Now restart your Mac to exit safe mode. Use Disk Utility to repair permissions. On your keyboard, press the Command key plus spacebar to open Spotlight. In the search bar, type Disk Utility. From the sidebar, select your drive. It's usually named Macintosh HD. Then, click First Aid and select Run. When prompted, click Continue and wait until the repair is finished. When repair is done, restart your Mac and open Safari to check if the problem is gone.
If you're using a Mac computer, we would like to suggest scanning it with Combo Cleaner. It will check your computer for malicious software infections and advertising supported software. The Disk Cleaner option will scan your computer for app caches, logs, downloaded files, and files still sitting in the trash. It will also show you how much space what files take up on your Mac. Combo Cleaner will also help you look through all big files on your Mac and delete those you don't need. You can also scan Mac for duplicate files. Sometimes you might not know that you have a few copies of the same file. A privacy scanner that will help you remove cookies, cache, browse history and more. And an app uninstaller that will find all hidden app components and uninstall them for you. You won't need to worry about viruses and clutter on your Mac anymore.
Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.